Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Betway. First, open the Betway app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account using your username and password. Once you are in the home screen, look for the three dot and tap it. After that, tap on your profile. From here, you can change your password and you can create a new password. Choose a password that is strong but easy to remember. It should include letter and number. After typing your new password, confirm it again and click save or confirm. Once this is done, you will see a message saying your password has been successfully changed. Now go back to the login page and sign in using your new password. If you don't receive the email or the message, check your spam folder. Make sure email or number is correct or contact support for help. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.